Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about basic digital modulation techniques. We are going to discuss about three important digital modulation techniques. One is amplitude shift keying, frequency shift keying and phase shift keying. The following diagram depicts about ASK, FSK and PSK. So here we have an input which is 1, 0, 1 and 0. This is going to be modulated, this particular data is going to be modulated by a high frequency carrier signal. We can see that in case of ASK, we find amplitude variations with respect to 1 and 0, and in case of frequency FSK, we find frequency modulations or frequency variations, and in case of PSK, we find phase variations. So let us see all these techniques in detail. First we will get into amplitude shift keying. So here we have a data which is 1, 0, 1, 1 and 0 and a high frequency carrier signal. We can find that we get the carrier at the output only when the input is a 1 and there is no carrier when the input is 0. Right? So whenever we have a 1, the carrier signal is obtained at the output. Whenever the input is 0, the carrier signal's amplitude becomes 0. Hence, in case of amplitude shift keying, we get amplitude variations. Let us look into frequency shift keying. In case of frequency shift keying, we have taken this data 1, 0, 1 and 1. So whenever there is a 1, we get a high frequency signal at the output, and whenever the input is 0, we get a low frequency signal. Hence, we have frequency variations with respect to the input data. If we consider the phase shift keying, in case of phase shift keying, we can see that whenever there is a 1, every bit which is 1 is represented by a particular phase, and every bit which is a 0 is represented by another phase. Hence, a bit 1 and bit 0 are represented by different phases. Thank you.